Ka Samla Aleytheia imli jong ka Saint Margaret High Secondary School Shillong ka bawan baar bat Duna Tang Shimax ban yo bat lang ya ka first position hak result jong ka Secondary School Living Certificate ka wala penmana hak ka arpasau terik mentau benai. Kene ka Samla kala yo sanspa nya pasau marks bat yo distinction hadun totally ki subject bakan top ya ka English, Mathematics, Science and Technology, Social Science, Computer Science bat kasi. Ki school ki bala pau ha ka top 20 ha ka ne ka kenti ki top ru ya ka Saint Xavier Higher Secondary School Tura, Saint Edmunds Higher Secondary School Mandi Pathar, Sinot Higher Secondary School Shillong, All Saint Shillong, Saint Gabriel Upper Shillong, Erowell Higher Secondary School Tura, Shangpung High Secondary School Shangpung, Shillong Academic, Don Bosco High Secondary School Tura, St. John Bosco Boys Sora, Laban Bengali Girls, Nongston Public Secondary School, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong, Light Dome Presbyterian Secondary School, St. Cassie Higher Secondary School Shillong, Hills Crest Secondary School Shillong, St. Mary Maxwell Girls Chawai, Sunny Hills Adventist Millennium, Little Star Secondary School, Barry Dua Batka Christian Girls High Secondary School Tura. Na ke district ke West Chantier Hills kala don bon ki bapas ke bala kot nia popra point la persen bor ke East Khasi Hills ke bakot nia point kendai persen ke boduna ki bapas ke dei ke North Karo Hills ke balong tang arpulai point pra persen.
And you will always are still proud. Thank you so much.
Whatever, I still see her writing. She's always and dedicated to work.
From the beginning of the year, and you have to be consistent every day.
So what is the one secret about your success?
Hard work and consistency.
And is there any advice that you would like to give to others who are now preparing for the coming exams? You know, they'll be preparing for the next session. So any advice that you would like to give?
You have to give everything you have. Always work hard, be consistent, and remember to put God first.
So what is your next plan now?
I'm planning to take up science, and I'm planning to crack JEE.
JEE.
And one person you would like to thank?
God first, then of course my parents, my teachers, the principal, and all my friends, my relatives.
Thank you.
Job actually, yes. But we always miss with Whisker for the first position always. Yeah. So this year also we lost with 1 mark for the first position, but we are very happy with 3 ranks that we have in our school.
Well,
I want to congratulate them for the hard work that they put in. When the rest of the world were busy with mobile and social media, our girls were busy studying and preparing for the future. So I really congratulate them for the hard work that they put in, for their devotion and commitment to their studies. We had those who appeared were 106 of them. We have 100% result. We have 35 star marks. In English, we have 55 letters. And alternative English, we have 11 letters. Khasi, 23. Hindi, we had 4 girls and 4 of them all got letters. The science, we have 48. Mathematics, 20. Social science, 9. Computer, 11. And health education, 32. We have highest 100 marks in science and technology for 2 girls. And we have 100 marks for physical health and physical education as well.
Okay, so how was the performance during the school?
These girls who are toppers now, they were good in the school as well. So they had consistently performed well. And not just that, I appreciate that these girls took part in various co-curricular activities and they were in the forefront for all activities of the school. And yet they did very well in their studies. So I really appreciate that.